how to change caption text size on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change caption text size on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google and click on those 3 points up there, and now click on setting. Scroll down and click on accessibility, and click now on the last option, which is captions. And now click on text size and choose very small, small, normal, large, or very large. For example, if you choose very small, this is it, and small, normal, very large, and choose whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.